In today's video, I will walk you through how to save news articles on investing.com. If you come across an article that you want to read later or reference in the future, investing.com provides a convenient way to save news articles. This feature allows you to keep important market updates, financial analysis, and breaking news organized in one place for easy access. To get started, access the news section on investing.com. Once the page loads, browse through the latest financial headlines or use the search feature to find an article related to a specific company, market, or topic. When you find an article you'd like to keep, open it to view the full story. Take a moment to read through the content and confirm that it's the article you want to save. Look right next to the article title or author byline for the bookmark or save article icon. Click it once, and the icon will highlight, confirming the story has been instantly added to your personal reading list. To access your saved articles, navigate to your account or profile section and look for Saved Items section. From there, you'll see the articles you've previously saved and can open any of them with a single click. If you no longer need to keep an article, open your saved list and remove it using the available option. This helps keep your collection organized and ensures that only the articles you still find useful remain in your saved list. Saving articles can be especially helpful when you're following an ongoing market event or researching a particular company or industry. Instead of searching for the same article again, you'll have quick access whenever you want to review the information. It's also a good idea to revisit your saved articles from time to time. Comparing older reports with more recent news can help you understand how market events have developed over time and provide additional context for your research. And that's how to save news articles on investing.com.